Friends, today we'll discuss about an activity. The name of the activity is Steps to Write PL-APP Image into Raspberry Pi Machine. Okay, it's coming under IoT, Internet of Things. I will write the title. Okay, Steps to Write the Cisco PL-APP Image into Raspberry Pi computer or machine. Okay, before getting into how do we write the PL-APP image into Raspberry Pi, we should know some basic things. What is Raspberry Pi computer? What is PL-APP image? Like that. Okay. So here, Raspberry Pi. This is Raspberry Pi machine or board. Okay. It is a low cost credit card size computer. Okay. It's a low cost and the size is just about size of a credit card. We can plug into the monitor or TV. Here I connected this into, okay, I will show you that. Okay, I will be connecting this Raspberry Pi into my computer monitor or my TV monitor. Okay, because there is no monitor for this Raspberry Pi. This board you want to connect to the computer or TV to get the things, okay, done. Okay, now we have different ports for connecting keyboard, mouse and everything. I'll tell you one by one. Okay, so this is a Raspberry Pi computer. I'm using model 4. These are the USB ports. Okay, these two USB ports. This is gigabit LAN port. If you want to connect the Raspberry Pi into any network, we can have wired or wireless. Okay, for processing data we need to connect to internet, bro, some network, right? So if you are using wired network to connect, means we have to use the cable, connect the cable here. Wireless means we have Wi-Fi module here, and we are going to connect the Raspberry Pi into my or your SSID Wi-Fi. Okay, this is the dedicated chip. Okay, the processor chip, and we have RAM. Okay, then we have GPIO pins. This one for connecting the input output device. Maybe here you will connect the devices, sensors through breadboard, or we can even connect the group by board. What is group? I'll tell you later. Okay, so we can connect a group by board. That group by board contains sensors. So this is for connecting input output device. Okay, this is power button, and this one is power supply. We can give through USB cable. Okay, then HDMI ports. If you want to connect this device into TV through HDMI port, or for some computers, okay, through HDMI port you can use this. For connect, this is for connecting which one? Camera. Okay, fan connector. Okay, like if you want to cool the device, no, you'll put no fans. Okay, then we have uh, like that. Okay, different types of pins are there. Okay, sorry. Now see, it has no monitor. You want to connect only with the motherboard. Comes with the sorry, comes with the motherboard, and you want to connect this to a monitor. Either you can use TV or laptop or your computer monitor. Okay, now, a Cisco Prototyping Lab is a set of hardware and software components which enable the students to learn about the prototype or model various IoT projects or components. Okay, so here, every computer, sorry, every computer needs a operating system. Okay, so for this Raspberry Pi computer, the operating system used is called as Cisco PL-APP Image. Okay, so this is a Cisco based software. So we'll get the software OS from Cisco. Okay, so used for Raspberry Pi computers, and to write this OS image into the Raspberry Pi, we need a software called as Cisco PL-APP Launcher. Okay, so again, Raspberry Pi means a small sized credit card sized computer. Okay, here the computer has no monitor, it's just a motherboard. We have to connect this into a TV or a laptop or a monitor through HDMI ports. LAN ports are there. Then we need to write an image into the OS image. No, every computer needs OS, right? Like in your computer, laptop, we have Windows 10 or Linux or Ubuntu, right? We have also an OS here. That OS is given by Cisco. That's why Cisco PL-APP image. And to write the OS, we need a software, PL-APP Launcher software. Okay, then where do we write? We will write the OS into a SD card. The SD card. Okay, I'll show you what is SD card. Just what is SD card? SD card. See, like this micro SD card we have to buy. Okay, so we have to write the OS into this SD card. Where you will connect the SD card? This SD card will be put into card reader. Card reader. Okay, like this we have to insert the SD card into a card reader. This that this one. Okay, small size card reader. Then this should be connected to the laptop USB port. Then we have to write the OS. After writing the OS, remove the card reader and card and put the card inside Raspberry Pi. Okay, so here just I will show you where is the SD card slot. SD card slot in Raspberry Pi 4. uh, Images. Okay, see here, this is the back side of your Raspberry Pi. Here you want to put the SD card where we write the PLAPP, Cisco PL-APP image or operating system. Clear? Again repeating, this is the Raspberry Pi, this is a front portion, this is a computer. We want to connect this to a TV or a monitor and to write an OS. We want to write an OS into this computer, right? So the OS will be written into the SD card. So after writing the OS into SD card, the SD card should be put inside the Raspberry Pi. Okay. Now how do we perform this? First thing, I already connected the SD card into the card reader and connected to USB port. Okay. Now I want to open a software, PL-APP Launcher. I already installed the software. Okay. From where you will get this software? This is the software used for writing the PL-APP image into SD card. Okay. How do we get this software? So you have to log into NetAcad account. I have Cisco NetAcad account. I'm a teacher. Okay. So even you can also student also you can open. Okay. So log into Cisco NetAcad and there will be a course like Internet of Things. Maybe your instructor might have added you, or if you are an instructor you can open the course, and inside the Cisco Internet of Things IoT Fundamental Connecting This course. Okay, IoT Fundamental Connecting Things course, launch course. Inside that you have student support and resources. Open student support and resources. There you can see PL-APP Launcher for Windows. If you are using Windows machine, click this option. Okay, if you are using Mac, this option. So click this option. Okay, and you can download the PL-APP Launcher. Okay, so windows.exe. Click this one and you can download the image file. Okay, the PL-APP Launcher file. Okay, then what about the image file or Cisco PL-APP image operating system? So here see PL-APP image for IoTF connecting things 2.0. This one. Okay, you can use this one or PL-APP image for connecting things 2.0 Raspberry Pi 4. This one also you can use. So three images they are given. You can choose any one image. Download this image into the computer. Okay, so first thing, the software you want to download. So when I click this, when I went to the course inside Internet of Things fundamental course, okay, there is student support resources. There I could see again, go back inside the IoT fundamental connecting this course, launch the course. Inside that student support resources, there you could found or you could find PL-APP launcher for Windows. Click this one. Once you click that one, first thing PL-APP launcher for Windows. So if you're using Windows machine, click this option. If you're using Mac machine, use this option. Okay, download this one, install that one. Then we have image, any operating system, that also PL-APP image. Three options are there. You can choose any one option and you will download, put into a machine, local machine. Okay, now where I put my OS now, I'll go to F inside semester 2 4 beta project. Here I put my image. Okay, I'm using IoT security based image. Okay, because this is updated one. Okay, so I'm going to use the latest operating system PL-APP image. Okay, now so this is the PL-APP launcher. Okay, I am going to show you how do we write the Cisco PL-APP image or operating system into Raspberry Pi computer model number 4. Okay, so they are given step by step. See, insert step 1, insert the SD card reader into USB port and select it from drop down menu. I already connected the SD card into card reader and card reader connected to the USB port. Then you have to refresh. After refreshing, choose the drive which is shown under the drop down menu. Before that, what you should do? Okay, before doing this, what you should do? We have to format the SD card. Maybe the SD card may be used for some other purpose. Maybe it has some data already. So what you will do? You will do formatting. Okay, for that I have a software called as SD card formatter. SD card formatter. This software we need to install in your laptop for format the SD card. Remove the contents existing already there, means remove that and make the SD card a new one. Okay, so go for open. Yes, before doing this, okay, because I want to make sure that SD card is now emptied and it's clean. So already I put the SD card, the name is also coming. Already I have a return image in that. Okay, but I'm going to format. Okay, quick format, overwrite format. I'll go for quick format. Just format. Yes or no? Yes, I want to continue. Yes, Allah sure. It's done. Now it is formatting successfully completed. Okay, now you want to see the content of the SD card. Go here. Nothing is there. Okay, still you want to format, just right click. You can do the one more time of format. Okay, just right click and format. Okay, this is normal formatting. Other one is formatting using SD card reader. This is drive format. The other one is SD card reader. Okay, so both formatting done. Now the device is empty. A refresh. E drivers come up. Okay, now select the PL-APP image file that you have downloaded from netacad.com. I already downloaded. I put in my F drive, so I'll go for the selection. Okay, go for selecting image, browse, go to F drive, semester 2 2024 BTech project. I put the image, two images. I'll take the latest one which I downloaded on 4th. Okay, any April 1st. Okay, go for this one. Open. Then every device needs a unique name and password. Example, if I'm going to my class, I'm handling IoT class. Okay, so I have many batches. Okay, so I want to give each batch a particular IoT device or the image. So in that case, I should have different names for each device. When I am connecting this to a normal common Wi-Fi, no, every device should have a unique name so that to identify. Okay, so group one say belong to Futun and Khadija. Okay, group two Omar and say Firas, like that. Okay, group three say I will give that group three to Yusuf and Suleiman and Abdullah. Group four I will go to Mosa, okay, and Fatma, like that. Okay, so you have to give a name, group name, or any name of the device plus password, okay, to identify the device in the network. Then we need to connect. Either we are going to connect the Raspberry Pi device into Wi-Fi or wired. Wi-Fi means you should mention the SSID of Wi-Fi where you are connected and password. Okay, these are the main things you should give. So here device name. What I'm going to do is I'm going to give a name as my Pi. Password is 1234567 8. Wi-Fi SSID. So what is the Wi-Fi and SSID password you are going to give? Okay. So here I am going to give say just namesake. Okay. So just I will give say what we say network. Okay. Just any name. I just give network. Password. Any password you can give for the Wi-Fi. Whatever Wi-Fi you are connected, give the same password. Okay. That password say 1234567 8. Okay, after that you should click write disk image. Okay, you want to click write disk image. Okay, so after writing disk image it will start writing and it take minimum 15-20 minutes for writing the minimum, okay, maybe maximum 15-20 minutes for writing the image. In between there will be sometimes error will appear. So usually if it is a new SD card and the image is not corrupted, then no error will come, no error will be appearing. But if the image is corrupted, the PL-APP image you choose here, no, if it is corrupted, the message will come like the image is corrupted. But if the SD card is not formatted, that also will show the SD card not unable to write SD card data. Okay, like that. Otherwise, just click write disk image. It will take few minutes and you can get the image ready. Okay, so I will show you how it is done. I'll just click write disk image. It will ask you, we want to set up the device by using PL-APP Launcher. Yes. Then see, it is unzipping. It will try to unzip or open that WinRAR file of PL-APP image. Okay, whatever image you loaded, it's a WinRAR file or a zipped file. We want to unzip that file. It's trying to unzip. After unzipping, it will start writing. Okay, before that also they will ask, you want to overwrite the content of SD card? Yes or no? Give yes. Okay, just wait for few minutes whether they are asking for overwriting content. That also will wait. After that we'll go for how it will be a return. Okay, because we cannot wait for 15 minutes or 20 minutes to get the image return. No, so just I will wait for the unzipping to be done and you go for the final output after you write the image. What will happen? Okay, just few seconds. Sometimes no, this unzipping will take some time, so that's why I just record everything here. So this one, the steps I told you, format the SD card, it's optional, but still for your safety side, no, format it. Download the PL-APP launcher and image. I already downloaded the launcher software and image software. I am not using BDA, I am using the other one. I have the security image. You can choose the latest one. Okay, then open the PL-APP launcher. I just set up the device right here. Set up the device, choose the drive. Then what else I did? SD card drive selected, then choose PL-APP image. Yes, Mr. I choose the image from the F drive. For you, for me, it's F drive. You can save it anywhere. Okay, you have to download and save it in a particular drive so that when you are trying to write the image, you choose that image. Okay, after that, create unique device name and password. We have to give a uniqueness, individual name for device and its password. Password should be, I think, minimum 8-digit letter, number or data, whatever. Okay, it should be length should be 8. Okay, assign Wi-Fi SSID password. As I assign the Wi-Fi SSID and password. Insert the SD card. After you write the image, then you go to insert the SD card later. First, let the image to be written. Still, it is unzipping. Okay, just wait for a few seconds. Still taking time means I'll go for the pictures. Okay, so these are the steps. So they give Cisco 1 2 3 4. Now they're asking the current content of flash will be erased and chestnut image will be deleted or chestnut will be installed. Are you sure you want to continue? Yes or no? If I want to continue, I will click yes. If I don't want to continue, I will go for no. Okay, so once you click yes, it will start writing the OSC. It will take some time. This much MP image you want to write to the SD card. Okay, it will continue. We'll minimize this. Okay, so we'll minimize this. Go for the see which one image in between. See, current contents will be erased. Yes or no? Yes. Now sometimes no. Before we finish the writing of the image, no, there will be a message like if unable to write config file message appear. If this message comes means, if this unable to write config message comes in the on the screen means what you should do, just click update config only button. Okay, if this image like if this message like at the end they are putting a message like unable to write the config file, this message appear means what you should do, you have to, there is a button like this one, update config only, this button you want to click. Okay, if that message appear on the screen, just click update config only. Then what you will get is device, the device name MPI is provisioned and added to set of list of devices, all done successfully. Okay, this is the message confirmation that the image is written into SD card. this is how the image PL-APP Cisco PL-APP image is written into SD card. It will take few minutes, maybe 15 minutes maximum, and it will be written into SD card. Then how do we know it is done successfully? You should get the message device, whatever device name you give there. I just give my pi. You can give group 1, group 2, your name also you can give, no problem. If it is done, the device my pi is, or whatever device name provision added to restore devices will come, all done successfully will come. Okay, then you can go to available device. You can see the device name there. It is offline because it is not connected to Raspberry Pi, it is offline. Okay, now how do we see the details I write into the image? Okay, there is a chestnut file. See, when I open the, once you write finish the writing, no, the USB drive E will be changed to Cisco PL-APP. Then once you open that PL-APP file, you could see a file called as chestnut. There is a file called as chestnut text file. Okay, so once you finish writing, you got the message like written successfully, this added to list of device, all done successfully, and you can see in available device. Okay, where is available devices? In this PL-APP launcher, after you finish writing, you could see available devices here. See, there is another option, available device. There you can see this much. Here I have used many devices, that's why it's showing many number of devices. Okay, once you write your image name also will come here. Okay, now it is still my pi is still writing. Okay, this one I took before that. So once you write the image, no, available device, you could see the name of the device. It will be offline, no worry. After that, the drive letter E will become Cisco PL-APP. You have to double click that image, sorry, USB drive. You could see a file name called as chestnut.txt. There will be a text file like this, chestnut.txt. Okay, what is inside the text file? Double click that file. You could see whatever device name you give, whatever password you give, whatever SID we give, whatever Wi-Fi password you give. Here I gave my pi device name. Password I think we gave 128. No, in this case previously I gave password. SSID I gave network, but here they give Cisco. So this is a device, or I write long back. Okay, ours is just still writing on. Okay, it's writing going on. Now password I give Wi-Fi is Cisco 1234, but ours I give 128. Okay, once we've found this one, we have to remove the SD card. That also, don't just remove the SD card or card reader. Just go here and choose safely remove the hardware. Then only remove that SD card reader. Then remove the SD card and put into Raspberry Pi 4 computers. Just I think I show you how to put. Okay, remove the SD card. Now put the SD card into this one. Then connect the Raspberry Pi through a USB cable into USB port of computer. Then Raspberry Pi will start. First read the image, then work on it. Okay, that is the steps to, these are the steps to write a Cisco PL-APP image into Raspberry Pi device. Okay, Raspberry Pi computer. It is still 22.78, so it will take some time. We'll stop. Okay, in the next video I will tell you how do we perform basic operations in the Raspberry Pi, initial operation like install some packages, update the Raspberry Pi, upgrade it. Then after that I will show you how to install a special package called as group pi. Okay, thanks for watching the video.